morning, folks. Today, let's talk about points of resistance and kind of what to look at for just for reference when you're trying to make money in the market. So, what I'm looking at right now is one of my favorite securities, Freeport-McMoRan Incorporated, copper company, basically. And yeah, this is the daily chart that you're looking at right here. As you can see, we're in a short pattern, and kind of wanted to go through a little bit more what I was saying yesterday to just emphasize things. So what I look at, at the start of the day is here's the 6-month chart. As you can see, we have some long action, the last month or two, and now today, it's starting to come down. But that's really kind of a scary thing because this long action's been going on for so long. So who knows how far it's going to drop? Hence why you stay in the market for very short periods, make your money, get out, run for the hills, know what you need to make. Here's the monthly chart. As you can see, we're long on the monthly. Technically, this would be in a queen long because just these valleys here are increasing in increasing in size or whatever. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll try to label it here. Here's a valley, that marks a queen long, and right there, as you can see, that value's at 34.45. We're trading below that, therefore that value perhaps has been broken. Sometimes you have a imposter syndrome type thing where like it falls, but then it might look like it's going to keep falling, but then it's just like, nope, just joking. So anyways, as you can see, that value's 34.45. We're beating it right now at 34, whatever it is, 34.22 when I'm making this video. We'll see when I take the screenshots. And then as you can see, the 5-day looks like a very big king short. You have 35.93, you have 35.65. These are crowns. So crown 35.93 gets beat right here at 35.65. And then, basically it's just traveling downwards after that until a new crown is set or the king short is beat and queen long, a new queen long is developed. And then the daily, as you can see, we're definitely in a short. We have 35.70, peak 34.82, and we're going down right now. How far will it go? We don't know. So points of resistance, as you can see, the daily point of resistance is 34.30 right there at the beginning of the day. That's basically the number to beat on the daily. If you can beat that, then good chances are that this thing is going to fall significantly on a short. There's other points of resistance you can see, like from the 5-day, our resistance is around 34.46 or 34.19. Those are just numbers to keep in your head because once they're beats, you know that you can probably make a profit off of a 10-cent fall or whatever. So that's a lot of gibberish, but that's what I look for and that's what I do. I'm about to sell some shares here, actually, if you'll excuse me. So sold those shares, made what I had to make today, made $2,000 on the day in about 2 hours. So that's good. I don't strive for that much of a income or a profit every day. I try to be fairly conservative just because I've learned that wealth is built over time. So yeah, my system just includes that king short following those peaks, and as the peaks, it's basically kind of looking at like the stock market or the graph upside down. So you got the king short, here's your peak, your next peak is lower, crown those peaks. So the top peak, let's say, is $28, the next peak's $27.50, and then it starts going down again. Your crown is $27.50. That's your number that has to be beat for your system to start over or whatever. Now, does it work 100% of the time? No, because I've seen times where it goes down and it looks like you got a king short and whatnot, and then like just the other day, it shot up 80 cents, completely blown it out of the water. Just a freak thing, just a fake bullshit thing. And I don't see that very often, but it definitely, kicked my ass a little bit. You just got to be prepared. And I guess that goes back to why I preach and believe that you need to get into the market and out of the frickin' market as fast as humanly possible. Know what you need to make, get in and out. And then the same with the queen long. You're looking at the market upside down. You have the valleys, and as the valleys increase, let's say we go down into a valley that's $30 and then it goes up, then the next valley is like $30.50. Then that's your crown on the bottom. You have to beat a $30.50 short for your system to basically implode. These rules are not infallible. It's just signs that I look at that tells me, wow, that's a queen long, the market's probably going up. Or that's a king short, the market's probably going down. With short-term investing, I'm talking super short, like 5-10 minutes, you kind of can just read the market. You don't want to look too much like at the 5-day or the monthly, definitely, because those are happening over a long period of time. But today you want to look at what's happening today. Where's my queen long today? Where's my king short today? So look at those resistance points, as people say, just so you know, like the daily bottom and the daily top, you should definitely know. Those are your resistance points usually. And once they're broken, then mayhem usually happens. Usually you have a big, long, short slip and slide, or a big, long climb up Mount Kilimanjaro. So know your resistance points, and I think that's enough for the day. Have a great day, everyone, and go make some money and enjoy life. Make sure you're enjoying life along the way. Money's only one part of it. You got to go enjoy your friends, your family, your parents, your kids, your, recreation. It's snowy here. You can't even see really outside Montana. Go outside and sled and play in the snow and be a kid again, Let money work for you and you not work for it. That's all. Have a good day. God bless.